So these
There, it looks like a butterfly, kind of. A wing butterfly
cool.
wing.
Oh, that turned out pretty.
Okay, the back.
So
Oh!
ooh.
Oh, you know why? Look at onion skins.
Onion skins. Oh my
Donna,
gosh.
that was a great idea.
Brilliant.
And this, look at this one, is these. The holy basil. That's how it went on
wow, that is awesome.
the back. Look at there.
Pretty. Wow.
Marika, Donna, and Laura in the kitchen with the eco nature prints.
Whoa, whoa. A horse.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that wild?
That is incredible.
And what's on the other side?
It's like a giant sun.
Oh, this one to me is this way. And I see the puppies right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the
There's
little...
Joe, one right there. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, here goes the corn husk. Corn husker dude.
Ooh.
That's a good imprint.
What is this?
That is that vine that has prickers on
Oh,
it, but
yeah.
you can eat it. In the spring you can eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Well, here it is. And this is just one side of it.
Here's like a bear. See his eyes and his nose? See right there? And it's like someone's riding on his back with a spear or a lance or something right here. Can you see that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Too wild.
Oh my
Oh, and then
gosh.
I see from a different direction something totally different.
Yeah, it's like the Rorschach test.
Well, y'all, this was amazing. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, this video is to encourage y'all. Do this. This is a great
whatever you
activity, and if you have youngins and you have an
It's
adult
safe.
supervising, it is safe.
Fun.
Yep. All right.
It's just good, clean fun.
It is good clean fun. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I gotta get my